Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be trying out the Milani Gilded Getaway palette. It looks like a VW bus from the 70s or 80s. It's really beautiful. I'm trying this and this little shadow stick. This looks, look at, it's just so cute. Look, you can see the sunset through here, or part of the sunset sky through the window. I grew up with a Volkswagen bus in my family. My dad really loved them. I grew up with one in my family almost the whole time I was alive. So we've always had a Volkswagen bus. My husband has one now. And so it really calls to me. It really calls to me. This is sort of like a sage green color. We had blue ones growing up most of the time. You open it up, there is a window. This is the Gilded Getaway Glamping Goes Luxe. And on the back here, there's some information, and it is cruelty free. And from what I could read, it's vegan, but I'm gonna say I know that it's cruelty free, at least 100%. It's cardboard, very durable, very beautiful, and you can kind of feel some texture here and all the gold trim. It's really pretty. But like I said, let's get inside. Here's a mirror, and you can see that it's like padded, just like the inside of a Volkswagen. The inside fabric of the Volkswagen. What am I trying to say? The interior. And here's the colors. There is a little protector shaped like a little bus. And here's the colors. I got one. There's 3 of these shadow sticks. And I'll go ahead and do some swatches here. I'll just go ahead and do them 4 at a time. Some of these colors are a little soft, so be careful. Here is Kindle. Here is Campfire. Here is Happy Glamper. And that one is really soft. And then Vacay Goals. So there's those. Really pretty and orangey. Then we've got these 2 kind of reddish browns here. And then some sort of light neutrals. We've got Oasis. It's more fun. Chillax, which matches my skin. You can barely see it. And then A-Frame. I mean, these all swatch relatively well. And they're pretty smooth. We'll do these final 4 here. They're sort of, there's a kind of bronzy, and then the rest are greenish. So we've got Good Vibes Only, Succulent, Tremendous, and Under the Stars. And there is everything. So it's got like a greeny orange, like a foresty bonfire, campfire type feel to it. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, the shadows are soft. They feel really good and smooth. And I'm gonna go ahead and try them out and show you that next. So I'm going to start by going into Chillax here, which is sort of a cream matte color. And I'm just going to sweep that everywhere. Just to kind of set the eye primer. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I feel like you guys are too high. Okay, I just lowered ever so slightly because I felt like you guys were too high. So I'm just starting with Chillax right here, which is the kind of cream matte. And I'm just sweeping it all over. I put Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer down. And then I'm gonna go for A-frame, which is the little bit darker. I'm gonna put that in my crease. And go a little bit higher, but not all the way up. So, I don't know about you guys, but I do not feel very glamorous right now. I just discovered my cat threw up all over my couch up here. Well, partially on the couch up here. Okay, then I'm going to, you know what? I'm going to go into Oasis on the lid and crease. And I saw a little bit of throw up on the couch and thought, where's the rest of it? And, you know, I know my cats. I know their vomit amounts. I'm familiar. And then I looked on my Ames chair, and that's where the rest of the throw up is. It's on my Ames chair. And my Ames chair is purple wool. So I'm not really happy about that. I hope it doesn't stain. I really hope I can get it out. But that's not all of the story. The other part of the story is, wait a minute. This is my thought at the time. Wait a minute, wasn't I just sitting on that chair? So yeah, I was sitting in cat vomit just a minute ago on my chair. My really nice, expensive chair. Expensive for me. Okay, so then I want to take the greens, Succulent and Tremendous. And I'm going to take Succulent first. Go on my lid with some succulents. But anyway, that's my day. How about you guys? My other thought was, is it just me? Or do other people have to deal with this kind of thing too? Because I feel like I have to deal with that kind of thing on a regular basis. So I got a little bit of fallout. I tried to wipe it away. So I'm gonna do the this one. Oh my gosh, my cat's like sneezing. I'm gonna do Succulent with my finger over on this side and see what it looks, if it looks different. You know, it looks similar. It's like it's like a satiny finish, but it looked like it might be shimmery, but not really. Although I'm getting a lot of fallout when I use my brush, as you can see. I wasn't getting very much when I used my finger on the other side. So I'm going to take the other side of this brush and use Tremendous. Well, that had a lot of kick up there. So be careful with that. That one's very powdery. And it looks similar to the other green I just used, except that it's more matte. It's like a satin green and then a matte green, but they really look similar. Yeah, they're really, really similar. Max. My cat's running. I don't know if you can see him. There's his tail. But he's like running around on me. Oh, I got a little green on my head. Max, if you're running on me, you gotta say hi. Come here. Come here. Wow. Say hi to everybody. Hi, Max. He wants to be outside, but he can't right now because Josh is doing some kind of yard work. He doesn't want the cats out there. So, let me see. I might, since the greens were so similar, I think I'm going to go with some more fun. And I'm going to place this. There's a little kick up of that too. So, I'm going to place this in the corner here. Okay, I like the color. And it's blending out, but one thing it is doing is there's a lot of fallout, but it's kind of picking up the green instead of blending in with it. It's kind of blending it away, which is, it's going to be fine for the look, but it's just something to keep in mind. I'm actually going to use this brush again and go into this A-frame. A touch of shellac, I think, and just kind of blend this out a little. And that looks really nice. That looks really soft and nice. The only problem is where the fallout got on the rest of my makeup. But these mattes really, these lighter mattes really blend these darker colors out really, really well. That's really pretty. That's so soft and pretty. I'm gonna go to chillax and sort of blend this top part. That's really lovely, I think. I feel like that's a really seamless blend that comes across really, really soft and really smooth. I'm really impressed with that. Besides the Tremendous being a similar color to Succulent and also kind of wearing away with the brown, those are my complaints, but otherwise it really blended out really, really nicely. I'm going to use Campfire. My kitties like to complain a lot. Or I should say Max does. Onyx doesn't really. It's mostly Max. I'm lumping them together, but it's really just the one. Hey, sweet Onyx. Onyx is likes to get into things. He's a smart one, and he always likes to get into things and poke around. And then Max likes things just so, and if he doesn't have them, just so he'll complain. Those are their two personalities. They're really very sweet, though, too, both of them. And I think I'm going to go into this shimmer, this Kindle. I'm just going to put a tad bit. And then I'm going to take Oasis here. It's a sort of brownie orange color. And I'm going to kind of blend this stuff out. I'm going to take the Gilded Shadow Stick that's part of this collection. And I can't remember the name of this color, but it's this light one here. And I'm going to do an inner corner. And I feel like I need to blend that. The inner corners of my eyes are so crazy. I have hooded eyes and I have so many little folds in the inner corners of my eyes. But I'm gonna go ahead and like sort of blend that out and also do my mascara and everything. I'll be back. Okay, so I am back and I really think this is so pretty. I really like this. I can't stop looking at myself in the monitor. It's, like I was saying, it's so soft and easily blendable. It really, you know, it really just looks good. I don't know. I mean, there were a few problems with Tremendous, really. Tremendous. I feel like there's a little bit of darkness here because I had some fallout. But other shadows do that too sometimes. So, you know, the trick is to do your eyes first, which I don't normally do, and I'm not gonna do that for, you know, this kind of a video. But anyway, I really do like this palette. I think it's beautiful. I mean, it's really cute. Just like the whole aesthetic is super cute. And the color scheme is really, really pretty. And it does give me like an outdoorsy campfire, you know, like sunset kind of vibe with all the colors. And I really do like it. I'm glad I got it. And I think it's, you know, relatively inexpensive. The shadow stick is fine. I mean, it's not anything exciting, but it works and it's fine. And it's easy to use. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who likes a soft blended out look and anyone who is into Volkswagen vans and makeup and glamping. Yeah, so if that sounds like it's up your alley, I'll put a link below and let me know what you think of this palette, or if you have it or whatever, and what are your camping stories. Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.